Everyone, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. So this here is the fabric shaver. So I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get. This shaver should help make your clothes look brand new and get rid of all of those pills. So let's just open her up so you get an idea. So on the very first thing here, it looks like we have a protective part to it, more extra blades, which is nice to know that you have extra. And here is the main body unit. And as well, we have a storage bag. So this is great. Everything looks really good. Oh, and a little cleaning brush, which is good too. So let's just get this out of the bag so you guys can get an idea. So this is the main body unit. It looks really good. The quality looks fantastic. Let's just open it up and check out the blade part here. So it looks really good. I'm very happy with the quality. I'm going to open it here. It looks like you're going to need 2 AA batteries, which did not come with the kit, so that is good to know. So you know you need to have those. I'm having a bit of issue closing this for some reason. So there we go. Click it into place. Perfect. So yeah, I'm very happy with what it looks like just straight out of the box. This is exactly what you're going to get. I hope this little unboxing video helped. Thanks for watching, and bye for now, everyone.